Hey everyone, it's Tim Holtz and I'm here at Sizzix headquarters. Now, as a card maker, we all love stack shapes because they make great card mats. But did you know that we can take that idea and use it for things beyond cards? Now, I'm here to share with you the stack shapes. I love the variety of different shapes and designs, and each of these are stacked and nested to create a different dimension, but I also love the detail that's involved in each design. Now, of course, with a stack shape, you can create a variety of sizes of mats for your cards. You can see that the size actually scales down, so we can really create that dimension using that same similar shape. But we can also take these designs and go a little further with that. So if I take the dies and place them together before I pass them through the die cut machine, I can create a frame. I can cut out a frame of that same shape by using the small and the large size of that die. And you can see here that same thing, we can create a variety of sizes of frames. Pretty cool. Look at that. But we can take this whole concept and really switch it up into mixed media by pairing any of these stack shapes with the Idea-ology Vignette panels and the Idea-ology Vignette boxes. This is going to take these stack shapes from card to mixed media and home decor. And here's how. All you're going to do is you can see here that the boxes, there are 4 different sizes of these. So I'm just going to take these out and show you that there are different sizes. Now, in addition to the boxes, we also have the panels that are the same size as each of those boxes. So these guys are really designed to create your own kind of vintage cigar box or shadow box, but when you pair that with Sizzix, it gets even better. All right, and here's what I mean. So what I can do is go in and measure a box. We'll just start with this largest one. You'll get the idea that way. We're going to take this large box, and then you're just going to measure that and cut a piece of cardstock to that size. Then what I can do is take any of those arch shapes, and now I can create a shadow box. Now this one I'm using a step down from a size so I can get a little bit smaller of an opening, but if I use the large one, you can see that I can create even a larger opening on that box. Instant shadow box, and you can really theme it up depending on whatever design you choose. But in addition to using this, every single box size has a die that's going to coordinate with it. So for example, if I go to the next box down, you can see that I've got that size, right? Before I go to the next box down, I've got that size. Pretty cool, right? Or even if I go to that smallest box, well, yes, we've incorporated that smaller size die. Now, in addition to putting these on the boxes, of course, we can take the same thing and place this onto a panel. And now I can create an art panel where I want to put in a photograph or a collage or anything. But as I mentioned, there's always some sort of creative variety when it comes to Sizzix. We can go back to those frames, and we can even add more detail by layering that frame on that cut opening. How cool is that? See, die cuts totally change. And I'm just showing you on basic paper, but imagine taking your favorite cardstock or your favorite metallic paper or glitter or anything embossed, and you can really go in and showcase that whole design. And you could even step down your frame in your opening. For example, here, taking all of those different layers and simply stacking those into that box to create that illusion of depth. There's nothing you can't do when you pair Sizzix with a little Idea-ology.